divide 403 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 403 divided by 5 is 80.6. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.